Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Mr. Cobalt, and in this video I'm going to go over how to write nuclide symbols based on the given information. So let's get into this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to write the different symbols for nucleides or nuclides, and we'll go over mass number, atomic number, and things like that. Okay, so let's start with the first one that they give us. So for A, we're given that we have 26 protons and 33 neutrons. So to write our symbols, we need to know what the mass number is and the atomic number. The atomic number is the number of protons. So they're giving us the number of protons, so they're giving us the atomic number. So the atomic number is 26. But what about the mass number? The mass number is the addition of the protons plus the neutrons together. So the total number of protons and neutrons together is your mass number. They've given us the number of neutrons, so all we need to do is add the 26 protons to the 33 and we'll get our mass number. And so let me write this down. So we have the atomic number is 26 because that's the number of protons. So the mass number is going to be equal to these two added together. So that's 26 plus 33, and that's going to give us 59. So that's the mass number. So now that we have the atomic number and the mass number, we can now write our three ways of representing these nuclides, the symbols, three symbols. The first way is to write with the symbol of the element. So we can find the symbol of the element from the periodic table based on the number of protons or the atomic number, because the elements are ordered according to atomic number. So all we need to do is find number 26 on the periodic table. And when we look up number 26, that's going to be the top number. Usually it's the top number above the symbol. And so number 26 is Fe, iron. So we're going to use the Fe, right? So here we have Fe, that's the symbol for this element, iron. And we're going to put on top the mass number. The mass number is always on the top left side of your top left corner of your symbol. So let me write this bigger. Do I have room over there? Yeah, I do. So we're going to have Fe, and then 59 is the mass number, so the top is going to be 59. And then the bottom left part is going to be your atomic number, so that's 26, like so. And that is the one way of writing the symbol for the nuclide. Another way is to just write it without the atomic number. Since we know what the element name or the element symbol is, we know what element it is. Therefore, it's kind of redundant to have the 26 on there. So you could just have it as Fe and then just the 59, the mass number on top. So that would be another way of representing the nuclide. And then another way of representing it is just to have the name or the symbol followed by a dash and then the mass number. So we could have the name iron followed by the dash 59. So iron dash 59 is a third way of representing that. Another way, I guess maybe it's the fourth way, you could just have this symbol dash 59. So we could have Fe dash 59. So you could do it that way as well. Okay, so now on to the next one. Now for B, we're giving 39 protons and 51 neutrons. So same thing, we got to write out our atomic number, identify the atomic number and the mass number. So here, they're giving us the number of protons, which is 39. That is the atomic number. The atomic number tells us the number of protons. So here, the atomic number is equal to 39. And then the mass number is going to be the neutrons plus the protons. So here, the mass number is equal to 39 plus 51. And that's going to give us 90. So now we have the mass number, we have the atomic number, now we can write the three symbols. So again, we got to look up the symbol of the element on our periodic table using the atomic number or the number of protons. And when we do that, we look up number 39, and that is Y, yttrium. So we're going to use the symbol Y. Okay, so here Y. And then the top number is the larger number. That's going to be the mass number. So we're going to have 90 there. And then the bottom left is going to be the atomic number. So that's 39. So again, that's one way to do the symbol for the nuclide. And then the other way is to have this symbol with only the mass number. So that would be a second way. And then the third way is to write the name. Let me double check on the spelling of the name here. Okay, so that would be YTTRIUM dash, and then the mass number following the dash. So it would be 90. And again, it could be just the symbol. Oops, that should be a 90. Or it could be the symbol dash 90 as well. Okay, that's number two. Number C, third one. Here they're giving us krypton 81. So this is one of the ways in which to write the symbol. Again, you could have KR, right? So KR-81 as well. And so now we need to figure out the atomic number, the mass number, and number of protons and things like that, so we could write the other two ways, the other two representations for this nuclide. Okay, so we know that the mass number is 81 because that's what the dash number here. So anytime you have the name dash and then the number has to be the mass number, right? So we know what the element is, so we look up on our periodic table for the atomic number. So for krypton, that atomic number is 36. So atomic number is equal to 36. We got the mass number here. We've got the atomic number. Now we can write the different symbols. If you want to know what the number of neutrons are, you could subtract that 36 from 81. So if you 81 minus 36, and that's going to give you, let's see, 45. And then let me double check. Yep. So we'll have 45 neutrons in this particular isotope. So now what about the symbol? So the symbol, again, we write the symbol of the nuclide with the Kr symbol of the element. Top is going to be the mass number 81. Bottom is going to be the atomic number 36. And then again, the other way you could write it is just with the Kr with only, oops, let me write that. Kr with only the mass number 81. And then finally, we have this symbol of our nuclide. And so we're given TL, oops. Sorry about that. So we're given TL, and then we're given the mass number 201. So this top number is 201 for the mass number. We're given the symbol. So we look up the symbol on our periodic table to find what atomic number it has, and therefore the number of protons. So we look up TL, and it's number 81. So that means that it has the atomic number 81. And so therefore, this is equal to the number of protons. And again, if you want to know what the number of neutrons are, you can subtract the protons from the mass number. So this would be 201 minus 81. And then that would be equal to 120 neutrons. Okay, so we have our mass number, we have the number of protons, the atomic number. Now let's write our symbols. So the representation of this nuclide, we would write with TL. And again, we could have 201 on the top. That's our mass number, 201, with the atomic number 81 on the bottom. That's another way. Or you could write out the name of this element, which is thallium. So then the other way of writing this would be thallium. Let me make sure there's only one or two L's. Two L's. So thallium dash, and then the mass number, which is 201. Again, you could have TL, capital T, small l dash 201 as well. And so that's it. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you write the nuclide symbols. So there's 3 different ways, maybe 4 if you count these 2 as different ways of writing your nuclide symbols. I hope this is helpful. If it was helpful and you learned a lot from it, then please, by all means, like the video, share the video, hit that like button over there somewhere, or find it somewhere, I don't know. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. When you do, make sure you click all so you can be notified by all the videos I put out. And also put a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Ask me questions. I would love to hear from you. If you got a question or a problem you want me to go over, I would love to do that. If you have a topic you want me to cover, put it down below and I would love to do that for you. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.